Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. So today I thought that I would show you guys my MAC empties. I know it's kind of a weird, like, random video, but I will be giving away like my back to MAC empties, and I thought that before I did that I would just kind of show you guys what I have. I got this big bag here. This is literally just like all products from MAC that I've used up since my employment with MAC. So this isn't everything that I've used up from MAC in general, or even in the past 1 year. This is just the things that I have gotten rid of within the past 8 months. If you guys don't know, MAC has a program called Back to MAC, where you can bring in 6 empties of literally anything except for sharpened pencils and brushes, because we can't recycle wood. That's why. But basically what we do with your empties, when you bring them in, you bring in 6, you can trade in for a free lipstick, or if you're at a freestanding store. I work at a partnered location, so we only do lipsticks, but at freestanding stores, lipsticks, eyeshadows, or lip glasses. So anyways, without further ado, let's just dive into this giant bag. So the first thing I have is the MAC brush cleanser. I know I have another one in here. Oh, here we go. I got 2 of these. I don't use these super duper often. I mostly use them when I'm working on a freelance gig. I bought a bunch when I did a fashion show back in May. I don't really use them for my own brushes unless I'm like in a quick hurry. For the most part, I just kind of use baby shampoo to wash my brushes, and that works just fine. But I do like this for when I am washing my freelance brushes in between clients, or just, you know, when I gotta wash them quickly. The next thing I have is a pack of demi wipes. These are really, really nice. I love the MAC wipes. I have another pack around here somewhere. Oh, here we go. I'm almost out of these ones too. But I do love MAC wipes. They really just get everything off. But if I'm trying to take off an eye makeup look and put on a new one, it's not going to happen. My eyes are really sensitive, and these can be a little bit harsh. They do have one for like more sensitive eyes, sensitive skin, but I feel like I end up using double the amount of wipes that I normally would. A full face takes about 2 or 3 wipes, depending on how much makeup I'm wearing, and the sensitive ones can take about 5 or 6. So to me, it's just a little bit of a waste of money. These will just do the job for me. I have a bottle of Fix Plus. This is the lavender scent, which I have another one right here. I think original Fix Plus is great, but there's just something about this lavender scent that I'm really into. A few years ago, MAC did release Scented Fix Plus limited edition, and then like a year and a half ago, they did come out with the Work It Out collection, where they did have minis. I did not pick up the original like scented collection when it was limited, but I did end up picking a ton of the minis, especially in the lavender. I tried lavender, rose, and coconut, but lavender just stood true and just smelled the greatest, and I don't even like lavender that much, so I was a little confused, but I just accept it. I love this. I have a bottle of Turquoise, which I also have laying around here somewhere. This is the like MAC signature fragrance. If you did not know, MAC does have fragrances. My favorite is Lady Danger, which we are discontinuing. So I have about 4 of them stashed away, because you never know when you need a backup. But to me, Turquoise smells like MAC. Whenever I think about MAC, like this scent comes to mind. Whenever I smell Turquoise, it brings me back to when I first started shopping at MAC. It's also our bestseller. Then I have the Volcanic Ash Exfoliator. I really like this as a physical exfoliant. I've never kind of dabbled into chemical exfoliants, however I have really been wanting to try it, just because the physical exfoliants aren't really super good for your skin. They're also really not great for nature either, but I do love this so much. It can be a little bit harsh if you're just going in with it, so I'll dilute it with like a little bit of water, and it works just fine. I love the way it makes my skin feel. It really does just exfoliate all the dead skin, and I do love that. I have another one in my bathroom right now. I heard they're discontinuing this. I can't imagine why. So I'm most likely going to pick up 1 or 2 more just in case. Next, I have the Lightful Marine Bright formula. These are the essences, which basically they're serums. This is super old packaging. These are ancient, but God, were these just so nice. I do have a bit of acne scarring. I broke out of my face recently. You can't tell because I'm wearing a full coverage foundation, which is kind of rare for me, but I have a bit of a breakout right over here right now. And I usually do get breakouts right over here. So I do have quite a bit of acne scarring in that area. And these really helped to just kind of lift that color. And I loved these. I was so disappointed when they discontinued them because they're really, really nice. I have since replaced it with another MAC serum, but I don't know, there's just something about this vitamin C that it just does wonders for the skin. I also tried out the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, and I ended up really liking that one too, so I'm thinking I might pick that one up. I just tried a sample of it, but it did like work really well. So I have another Lightful C product in here. This is the Marine Bright Formula Softening Lotion. I love using this before my skincare. After I wash my face, I'll just give my face a quick spritz of this, and then I'll go in with serum, moisturizer, and whatever. If you guys want to see like a skincare routine, because my skin is pretty clear besides the breakout I have over here, let me know because I'd love to show you. My skin has been really shit in the past, so my skin looks beautiful now, and I'm quite proud of it. But I do really, really love this product. It is a softening lotion, which if you don't know is pretty much like a toner, but more moisturizing. It's basically like liquid lotion in a bottle, like a liquid moisturizer in a bottle. So it really does help to kind of soften the skin, prep it for skincare and for makeup. And sometimes if I'm feeling super extra, I'll spray it on top of my makeup, which you're not really supposed to do, but it does add like the most intense glow like ever. This is the serum that I replaced the Lightful C one with. This is the Moisture Infusion, which I do have another one right here and another one in my drawers. This is super duper nice. I would mix this with the Lightful C serum. This is super duper hydrating because I do love a really nice like hydrated like plump skin. It does promote like all day hydration, which is nice. I have another thing of full-sized wipes in here. Again, love these. I have a Peach Light Strobe Cream, which I also have another one here. I'm running out of this one, but no fear because I have another one in my drawers. This is such a nice product. I love the way that it gives my skin a nice glow. I feel like I probably still have some left in here. Oh, I do. It gives the skin just such a beautiful glow. I've seen people in videos use it as a primer, which you can use it for, but it's mostly moisturizer. It's just a really beautiful, like kind of glowy product. It comes in a bunch of different shades as well. The original was pink, but there's also gold, there's peach, red, and silver. I mostly use peach, although you can't tell because the sticker's rubbed off, but I mostly use peach. I love the way that it makes my skin look. However, I've really been craving more of like a skin, like a natural skin-like glow. For a while I tried out the Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer, and God, that was just stunning. Oh my God, it looked like natural, like a natural type of glow. Whereas this, I mean, it's beautiful, but it makes your skin, because it's the peach light, it makes your skin have more of like a pink gold glow, which is beautiful, but there's just something about the nude shades in the Glam Glow one that I just loved. Next, I've got some paint pots. I've got Painterly and I've got Soft Ochre. Soft Ochre is what I'm currently using. It is just a really nice kind of like pale yellow color. I have a lot of like yellowness to my skin, so I do love the Soft Ochre color. I just feel like it works best with me. But my first love ultimately was Painterly. I don't have any more left, but it is just a really nice like cool tone, like peach kind of shade. It's a beige, basically it's a beige. It does dry down, but it stays a little bit tacky for a while. I do set it with a powder, which I believe I've said before, but they're really, really nice. They do have some nice colors in the range, but I do wish we had a few more. They used to have really nice like teals and pinks. They had a lot more colors, which they did end up discontinuing, unfortunately. Regardless, these are just wonderful products. Love these, gonna continue to buy forever. Next in here I have an In Extreme Dimension lash, which I have some more. This one is the color one. It's the Sky is the Limit. This was from Work It Out, which is probably old now, but whatever. I love colored mascaras. And then this one is the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash, my current fave. It's a really good mascara. I used Better Than Sex for quite some time, but I found that it flaked like everywhere. I loved the way that it made my lashes look, but it just was so like flaky. By the end of the day, I would have like black dots all over my under eyes, my chin, my cheeks. Like it would get all over the place. The wand is really nice and big. It just creates beautiful like voluminous lashes. So if you're looking for an alternative to the Better Than Sex mascara, but you know, you find that it gets really like chunky all over the face, this is a really good one. And also recently I've really been liking the YSL The Shock mascara. This one's just a sample, but the wand to me is so similar to the Better Than Sex. So super good one, but ultimately I love this one. The difference between this one and the 3D Black Lash is that this one just has darker pigments. Oh, I have another 3D Black Lash in here. Then I have the Squid Modern Twist Kajal, which I'm quite salty about. These were such good eyeliners. Like, I mean, amazing. They would twist up but not twist back down, which is just like the old brow pencils, which I also have in here. Squid was like the blackest black. It was amazing. It was waterproof. It would stay on forever. It was also one of our top selling SKUs, so when they discontinued it, everyone was shocked, even me. People still come in asking for it because it was pretty recent. I did replace it with Feline, but there's just nothing comes close to Squid. It was a great pencil, and now it's been discontinued, and I can't imagine why, because these things were amazing. So if the camera angle is like changed at all, I did just have to charge my camera battery because it dies pretty quick. I need to get a new one, or at least a backup. Anyways, moving on. I have the Lingering Eyebrow Pencil. So this was the old packaging. The new packaging is quite a bit different. This one is retractable. It twists up and down. And it also has a spoolie on the other end. Whereas this one does not. It just twists up, but it does not twist back down. I actually like the formula of these ones quite a bit better than the new ones. I just feel like the new ones are really waxy. They can sometimes be kind of hard to work with. Whereas these ones are really nice and creamy. You know, I've flattened it down completely, but I still get quite a lot of product there. It's a really nice brow pencil. I definitely miss the old ones. The new ones are just fine, but they're a lot like the Anastasia ones, which are fine, and I like those, but I don't know, I just like the MAC ones just a little bit better. So the second to last, this is going to be the Something Special Cream Blend Blush. This is the only cream blend blush that I have from MAC, and even though I'm using more cream products now, this one's just like ancient, so I had to toss it. I wish that they would come out with like these again. I have some of the cream color bases. I have some of the Quick Trick sticks. And there's just something really nice about this formula. I will tell you, this one smells awful because I've had it for so long. But it's kind of a nice like cream to powder formula. I just shaded out a ton, but really, really nice blush formula. I've had this one for literally ever, so I'm going to toss it out. But I don't know, this was just really, really nice. Again, I wish it would come out with some more colors because I think I might be more inclined to use them again, especially since I am more into cream products. At the time of buying this, I wasn't super into cream products, so I don't know why I bought it. I think just to buy it because it was MAC. So here I have some MAC lashes. I have sevens, an empty case of sevens. Sevens are really beautiful. They kind of wing out at the end, but are really chunky and kind of spacey. So your natural lashes like push through them. They're really, really beautiful. Love these ones. I have two pairs of 35s, which I love to stack with 48s. They look like this when they're stacked. Beautiful and amazing. And I also have a pair of 36s. I don't love 36s on myself. I think they're really beautiful on other people, especially on brides. They are a little bit more natural looking on me, which is why I don't really wear them as much, but they do flare out really nicely in the ends. So really beautiful lashes. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 empty cases of 48s. These are my favorite lashes. I'm wearing them today. Again, love to stack them with 35s or with almost anything, but really, really beautiful lashes alone. Obviously, these are the lashes that I purchased the most. They're just really, really nice. They're the same kind of shape all around. Actually, you know what? Really nice and full. They're the same kind of shape, width, like all around. Just really beautiful lashes. Really bold. I love putting these on like pretty much everybody. Like almost any eye look, I think they look amazing. So love these a lot. Gonna continue to buy these like forever. Yeah, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I know I did. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, then just hit like and then hit subscribe if you want to see more. Alright, thank you guys so much again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.